Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast. I am John.
And I am Olivia. Welcome to our show. If you want to learn English, you are in the right place.
Yes, you are. We speak slowly. We use simple words. This helps you understand and learn fast.
How are you today, John?
I am doing very well, thank you. I'm excited. Today, we have a very special topic.
Yes, we do. The new year is here. It is 2026. Our topic today is Your 2026 Comeback Starts Now.
That is a great title. Your 2026 comeback starts now. But Olivia, maybe some of our listeners do not know the word comeback. What does it mean?
That is a good question. A comeback is when you return to a good place after a hard time.
I see. So if I lose a game, but then I try again and win, that is a comeback?
Exactly. Or if you had a bad year last year, maybe you did not reach your goals. A comeback means this year you start again and you succeed.
I love that. Everyone loves a good comeback story.
Yes, life is not always easy. Sometimes bad things happen. Sometimes we make mistakes. That is completely normal.
It is very normal. Last year, maybe you wanted to learn English, but you stopped. Maybe you were too busy.
Or maybe you wanted to start a new job, but you did not find one.
That can feel bad. You can feel sad or tired. But 2026 is a new start. Your comeback starts now.
Let's talk about how to make a comeback. How do we start?
The first step is simple. You must forgive yourself.
Forgive yourself. Can you explain that, John?
Sure. Sometimes we get angry at ourselves. We think, I am so lazy, or I am not smart. You need to stop these bad thoughts.
I agree. Instead of saying, I am lazy, say, last year was hard, but this year I will try again.
Yes, be kind to yourself. You cannot change the past. You can only change the future.
That is very true. We must look forward, not backward.
So, step 1 is being kind to yourself. What is step 2, Olivia?
Step 2 is making a plan, but it must be a simple plan.
Why a simple plan? Why not a big, amazing plan?
Because big plans can be scary. If your goal is too big, you might give up.
That makes sense. For example, if I say I will study English for 4 hours every single day, that is a very big plan.
Yes, and it is very hard to do. After 3 days, you will feel tired. You will stop.
So, what is a better plan?
A better plan is small. You can say, I will listen to one short English podcast every day, or I will learn 3 new words every morning.
I like that a lot. 3 words a day is easy, but after 1 month, you know many new words.
Exactly. Small steps make a long journey. What is another good small step, John?
Reading is a great small step. You can read 1 page of a book before you go to sleep.
Yes, 1 page is not hard. Anyone can read 1 page.
And when you finish 1 page, you feel good. You feel like a winner. That helps your comeback.
So step 1 is being kind to yourself. Step 2 is making a simple plan with small steps. What is step 3?
Step 3 is very important. You need to build good habits.
Habits are things you do every day without thinking, like brushing your teeth.
Yes, brushing your teeth is a habit. You do it every morning and every night. You do not think about it.
We need to make learning a habit. We need to make our goals a habit.
How do we do that? By doing the same thing at the same time every day.
Oh, I see. So you link the new habit to an old habit.
Let me give an example. You drink coffee every morning, right?
Yes, I love my morning coffee.
So you can say, when I drink my morning coffee, I will practice English for 5 minutes.
That is a great idea. I always drink coffee, so I will always practice English.
Yes, the coffee reminds you to practice. Soon it becomes a strong habit.
I will definitely try that. This is how you make a comeback. You change your daily habits.
Let's talk about problems. What happens when we have a bad day?
That is a very realistic question. We all have bad days. Some days you are tired. Some days you are sad. Some days you are sick.
On a bad day, you do not want to follow your plan. You just want to sleep or watch TV.
And that's okay. We are humans, not robots.
So what should we do on those bad days? Do we stop our comeback?
No, we do not stop. The rule is never miss 2 days in a row.
Never miss 2 days. I like that. Please explain more.
If you are very tired on Monday, it's okay to rest. Do not study on Monday. But on Tuesday, you must start again.
Don't use Monday as an excuse. Don't say, well, I missed Monday, so I will stop forever.
Exactly. One bad day does not ruin your comeback. Just start again the next day.
That takes away the stress. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to keep trying.
Perfect does not exist. Only progress exists. Try to be a little better than yesterday.
Let's talk about the people around us. Can friends and family help with our comeback?
Oh, yes. Having good people in your life is very important for a comeback.
How can they help?
You can tell your friends about your goals. You can say, my goal is to speak English well by the end of 2026.
And then your friends can check on you. They can ask, hey, John, did you practice your English today?
Yes, it's easier to succeed when someone is supporting you. They give you motivation.
What if someone has friends who are negative? Friends who say, you will never learn English.
That is difficult. Sometimes you need to spend less time with negative people.
It is sad but true. Negative energy can stop your comeback.
You need positive energy. Listen to positive podcasts like this one. Read positive books. Follow happy people online.
Fill your mind with good things. That will give you the power to keep going.
John, do you have a personal comeback story?
I do. A few years ago, I wanted to learn how to play the guitar.
Really? I did not know that.
Yes, I bought a guitar. I tried to learn the first month, but it was hard. My fingers hurt. I had no free time.
What happened?
I put the guitar in my closet. I didn't look at it for a whole year. I felt bad. I felt like I failed.
But then, how did you make your comeback?
The next year, I decided to try again. I said, my comeback starts now. But this time, I used our rules.
You made a simple plan?
Yes, my plan was to hold the guitar for just 2 minutes every day, not to play perfectly, just to hold it and practice one simple chord.
Wow, 2 minutes is so small.
But it worked. Those 2 minutes turned into 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. Now I love playing the guitar.
That is a wonderful story. Small steps helped you succeed. You made your comeback.
Yes, I did. Anyone can make a comeback. You just need to decide to start.
If you are listening to us right now, this is your sign. 2026 is your year.
You can learn that language. You can get that new job. You can get healthier.
Whatever your goal is, you can do it. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for next week.
Your comeback starts today, right now.
So take a slow, deep breath, smile, and know that you are capable of doing great things.
Think about one small thing you can do today. Just one small thing to move closer to your goal.
Write that thing down on a piece of paper. Put the paper where you can see it.
Maybe on your fridge, maybe next to your bed. That piece of paper will remind you of your promise to yourself.
Yes, remind yourself that you are on a journey, and we are here to support you on that journey.
We will be here with new podcasts to help you learn and grow.
We believe in you. You should believe in yourself too.
Well, Olivia, I think we have talked a lot about comebacks today.
I agree. It's a very inspiring topic. I feel motivated.
Me too. I feel ready to reach my goals this year.
Thank you all for listening to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation. Remember to practice the new words you heard today.
Listen to this episode again if you need to. Speaking slowly and repeating helps you learn fast.
We will be back soon with another great topic.
Have a wonderful day and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone. Your 2026 comeback starts now.
Bye. See you next time.